Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoom meeting appointment form with Jotform's AI Form Builder. This is a powerful way to automate your meeting scheduling process, allowing clients to book appointments that automatically generate Zoom meetings without any manual work on your end. To get started, open your web browser and head over to jotform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account where you want to create and manage your appointment forms. After logging in, look to the upper left corner of the page and click on My Workspace. From the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This is your central hub where all your forms are stored and managed, and it's where we'll be creating our new appointment form. Now, in the upper left corner of the page, you'll see a button labeled Create Form. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Create with AI. This is where Jotform's artificial intelligence comes into play, making the form creation process incredibly fast and intuitive. The AI will help you build a professional appointment form in just a few clicks. From the template options presented, choose Appointment as your form type, then click Send. The AI will now generate a customized appointment form based on your selection. Once the form is created, click on Settings at the top of the page. This is where we'll configure the Zoom integration that makes everything work automatically. In the left panel of the Settings menu, click on Integrations. This section contains all the third-party tools and services you can connect to your Jotform. In the search bar, type Zoom and click on it when it appears. This integration is what will bridge your appointment form with Zoom's meeting platform. Next, you'll need to choose an action for this integration. For example, select Create Meeting, which will automatically generate a new Zoom meeting for each appointment booked. After selecting your action, click Next to proceed to the authentication step. Now click Authenticate and connect your Zoom account. This step is crucial as it gives Jotform permission to create meetings on your behalf. You may need to log into your Zoom account and authorize the connection if you haven't done so already. Once that's complete, you'll be able to customize how your meetings are created. Set the meeting topic to something descriptive like Sales Discovery Call, and you can enhance it further by adding merge fields such as Ishan Company Nasep and Topics Ishan Pet. These merge fields will automatically pull information from the appointment form, making each meeting invitation personalized and professional. Set the duration to match your appointment field. For instance, if you're offering 30-minute consultations, make sure the duration reflects that. You can also add a description if needed to provide attendees with additional context about the meeting. Finally, click Save to lock in all your settings. Your Zoom meeting appointment form is now fully configured and ready to use. Every time someone fills out your form, a Zoom meeting will be automatically created and sent to both you and your client. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.